know anything about me, you should know that I absolutely love makeup. But today I've decided to keep it simple and subtle. So keep watching to see how I create this no makeup look. There is something beautiful about a completely bare no makeup look. But if you're going to go down that road, then you need to make sure that your skin looks so good that it replaces the foundation. So for this look, I'm going to start off by pampering my skin. And the quickest way to pamper your skin is by applying a sheet mask right before I apply the makeup. I'm using this sheet mask as I want my skin to glow and feel hydrated. I let it sit on my skin for about 15 minutes, then I take it off. I take the remaining liquid from the sheet mask sachet and using a facial roller, I massage it so that it penetrates deep into the skin. Once the product has soaked into the skin, I wipe off the excess. This mask acts as a great moisturizer. My skin is prepped, so now I'm going to apply a primer. Now if you're new to the BeBeautiful platform, then don't forget to bash the subscribe button for more such videos. I like to concentrate the primer on my T-zone as it gets oily and has plenty of pores that need covering. This primer is silicone based and will help my makeup last longer. Now I'm moving on to the CC cream. Dot the cream all over your face and then using a wet makeup sponge, blend it into the skin. That's pretty much it. This CC cream is aloe infused with SPF 30, which means it is going to moisturize the skin and protect it from sun damage at the same time. The hint of coverage in the CC cream will hide all skin imperfections. Guys, if you want to know more about BB and CC cream, their benefits and the differences between the two, then I have a video for you. So I'm going to leave a link of that video in the description box below. Do check that out. Now for the eyes and lips, I strongly believe that if your base is light, then you should opt for softer colors. But before I move on to the eyes, I'm going to just fill in my eyebrows. I'm using this eyebrow pencil in the shade dark brown. Never, I repeat, never use black on your eyebrows. They will end up looking really stark and jarring. Let's begin with the eye makeup. I've already prepped my eyelids with a little bit of a concealer. Now I'm going to use this amazing quartet of nudes. I'm just going to apply this nude color as a transition color, which will basically act as a base color for the entire eye look. Next, I'm dipping into this beautiful mauve shade and I will apply it on the lids. Keep blending it for a softer effect. Now using a brown kajal, I'm lining the upper and lower waterline. This will help define the eye shape. On the lower lash line, I'm going to apply a mix of the mauve and nude color to act as a rim for the eyes. Finish off with a little bit of mascara and you're good to go. I'm going to skip contouring for this particular look, but instead I'm going to use a bronzer to very subtly highlight my facial features. I'm going to apply some highlighter using a fan brush on the high points of the face like the cheeks, brow bone, nose and chin to enhance my features. With that, the face is done. Now for my lips and cheeks, I'm going to use a moussey texture lip formula in the shade Blush Velvet. Now before I fill in my lips, I'm going to line my lips. Now for a girl like me who has a smaller pout, a lip liner has been a total savior. Begin by contouring the lips with the lip liner. Now, using the same color that I used on the cheeks, I'm just going to apply it all over the lips. With that, it's a wrap on this no makeup look. So guys, try out this look and give your skin a break from the foundation every now and then. I hope you found this video useful and I hope you liked this no makeup look. As always, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to BeBeautiful. Until next time, bye.